I am so excited to do this review slash tutorial, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's finally here. Here is the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna be a little bit different than everyone else. I'm gonna go in and do a natural eye look instead of a super crazy colorful eye look. I know this is Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, but hear me out. I'm gonna do more tutorials. I'm just gonna do something more natural just in case someone wants to get the palette and they're not quite comfortable yet with the bright colors. So we are going to stick with and do a more natural smoky eye. We're just putting this onto our eye. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you will stay and subscribe and become a part of the Glam Fam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are all at Beautybyjosiek as well. And I do most of my chatting with y'all over there. And now we are gonna go into the palette. All right, we are gonna be going into this color right here and this color right here. We're gonna mix them together and go into the crease. So what we're doing now is we are just creating that transition shade. We're gonna take this pretty high. All right, and then we're gonna go into this shade right here. And we're gonna put that into the inner corners and right underneath our brow. And then I'm just going to take the other brush and just blend that up. Ooh, that blended very nicely. Cool. All right, then we're gonna go into this color right here. It is a super nice warm brown. I mean, to be honest, guys, this isn't hard to blend at all. Maybe it's just because I'm using the more natural tones, but it's not patchy anywhere. Yeah, I'm really liking it. We're gonna go in with this dark brown color here. Kind of has like a little tint of red, and we're going to only keep this onto the outer portion of our crease. Just on the outer portion. Alright, so what I'm just doing is I'm going in with that lighter crease color that we went in with earlier, and I am just blending out that darker shade with that lighter color. It's gonna help it blend a little bit more. I'm having no problems whatsoever layering these products, but I will tell you that when you are applying them, you need to, if you're really wanting the color to really stand out and stick and stay there, all you're gonna do is dip into the color and just pat it on first and then blend it out, if that makes sense. It will work a lot better for you that way. We are gonna go in with this color right here, this white shimmer, and we are going to put that on what is left of our lid with just our finger. And I am just kind of blending this shade out with my finger, if y'all can see that. just like that. That's pretty, guys. Ooh. Then I'm just gonna go in with another brush and just blend those edges together. Let me do my foundation and I will be right back. Foundation and contour bronzing done. So now we're going to take a mixture of the 3 first colors we took, and we are going to do our under eye as well. And then we are going to also highlight with this shade on the inner corner again after we have blended everything out. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and line the eyes. My wings aren't perfect, but you know what? Who cares? Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, put some mascara on and some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, moving on to lips. I'm going to be taking the MAC Subculture Lip Liner and the MAC Japanese Maple Lipstick, and we are going to put this onto our lips. For highlight, we're actually going to go in with this color right here, and we're going to mix a little bit of this color right here in with it, and we are going to put that onto our cheeks for a highlight. Ooh, look at that. I really hope you stay and become a part of the Glam Fam. And I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also Beautybyjosiek. And now it's time for awkward posing. All in all, I'm gonna have to say that this palette actually blended out really, really nicely. And I know I did use a regular base, eyeshadow base, like James said that you should, but honestly, they really did blend out really nicely. And I don't know if that's because I used all natural shadows and not like the pigments or the really, really bright colors. I have no complaints, except it was a little hard to build up the darker color to make it super, super dark. But honestly, that doesn't bother me at all. And actually, I really didn't get that much fallout, which I was really surprised at as well. And yeah, all in all, I really like this palette. I think you did a really good job, James and Morphe. The colors are beautiful. If you guys would like a full swatch video, please let me know. I will be happy to do that. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah!